Aloha, you're watching F5 On Demand. I'm Peter Silva, Technical Marketing Manager with F5, and we're here in Las Vegas at the Mandalay Bay Convention Center for Interop 2012. And I have Jeff Stathatos, who is our worldwide solution architect for our HP partnership. And today, was it today we announced it?
Today we announced it.
Today we announced an expansion to our HP partnership, and just wanted to get a little insight from Jeff exactly what that's all about. So thanks for joining us first.
Thanks for having me.
And so can you tell us a little bit about what's announced and why it's important?
Absolutely. Today what we announced is an expansion of our relationship with HP, and what we've done is we've worked with HP Networking to come to market in a way that will allow us to marry what we have as our iApps with their virtual application network, to allow those to work together to bring applications to market and to the network in a much quicker way without the expanded time that it takes necessary to bring it to market.
And so one of the things we were talking about earlier, if you're not familiar with iApps, they were released in our version 11 Big IP code. It allows organizations to deploy applications much quicker, easier, faster, with less configuration errors and such. And so how do the two play together now?
Right, so as you mentioned, in version 11 we released iApps, and what iApps do is they allow you to template your application to bring that application and reduce the configuration necessary. What virtual application networks do is they bring that same type of technology to a networking perspective, so that what you can do is reduce the amount of configuration, the amount of CLI entrances that you have to take for a deployment of an application, so that now you can marry those two pieces. You can marry the iApp from an application perspective, you can take the virtual application networks from their IMC, and take those together from a networking perspective and deliver these applications on the network with the application quickly.
And so we've been partners for a number of years, and this is, you know, a little piece to the expansion. Can you talk a little bit about the types of things we've done as business partners over the years?
Absolutely. We've had a relationship with HP that has been ongoing for many years, and it involves several different business units. In addition to what we're doing and what we've announced today from an HP networking perspective, we've had this relationship with HP networking for a number of years, going back to several different products and several different applications that we've released. In addition to that, some of the places that we're involved with HP networking, HP is in their TS organization, their technology services organization, and what they've done is they've brought to market things like Cloud System, where you can actually take an F5, deploy it, automate the deployment of that within a contained system, so that now you can deploy these applications from a services perspective and deliver them to a customer without having to have each of those pieces of equipment delivered individually. In addition to that, we have a strong relationship with HP software, where you look at things like cloud services automation, you look at operations orchestration, HP network automation, and within all of those applications, all of those softwares, we have the ability to automate the deployment of an F5 and bring that orchestration to the network in a more seamless fashion. We're also involved in HP Enterprise Services, and within HP Enterprise Services, we have, from a portfolio perspective, we've expanded our footprint, and within that relationship you can take advantage of enterprise services and bring F5 support to your environment.
And so really it's all about enabling the customer to deploy their applications much quicker,
Absolutely.
Much easier, all the TCO, ROI, all that type of stuff involved, yeah?
Correctly, and seamlessly, without error. And the key is getting away from the CLI. Instead of having several 100,000 keystrokes trying to implement these from a CLI perspective, the idea is that the CLI is going away, and now we're going to this interface that will allow you to have a single pane of glass, intelligent management center, IMC from HP networking, all of this delivered to the customer to help deliver applications.
Pretty cool stuff. So thanks for joining us, Jeff.
Thank you.
So there you have it, a little bit more about the expansion of our HP partnership here at Interop, the virtual application network, and how it integrates with the F5 solutions. So for Jeff, now I got my camera guy, Jonathan. I'm Peter, and we're with F5 Networks. Thanks for watching.